Earlier this week, Israeli police arrested the Palestinian attacker who killed a Jewish woman in the community of Otenel. It happened in front of 3 of her 6 children. The attacker was just 15 years old. It's just one of the latest attacks against Israelis since last September. Most of those terror attacks have been stabbings or shootings. Megan David Adam, an international relief team, often sends some of the first responders to the scene of terror attacks. The group trains people on how to treat terror victims on the scene.
We decided to do this a little bit way from the regular training that we do due to the current escalation that happened in Israel and this type of violence that we are experiencing. And there's a high interest within the Israeli public to know what to do and to know how to assist others.
Since the wave of violence began, Palestinian terror attacks have killed 29 Israelis and wounded nearly 300.